what is up guys, MK here. We are back by a real life vlog actually instead of gaming today. For just $4,000 at 500 horsepower. My homie here, Mo is here with us. We're just here basically testing this thing out right now. Of course, we've already done some work on it. We got it tuned. We were able to tune it, and it's insane. We paid $4,000. What the frick is this shit? That's like a big ass spider moth.
Welcome to MK Elite, where he's not afraid of a 500 horsepower RSX, but he's afraid of a little moth.
As you guys can see, we've done a lot of work on this thing already. When I picked it up, had stock wheels. Also, the shifter cables broke. Of course, I paid $4K, so I can't complain. There was definitely some things needing work. But performance-wise, this car has been absolutely insane for what I paid for this thing. It's like built motor, K24 with a K20 head, the Type S head. I think it's ported, I'm not sure. And yeah, we've got the 1000cc injectors on it. We got the Precision 6266 turbo here with the full race manifold. And got the Ktuned shifter cables here. I just recently installed that and the bracket as well.
He's running his place. He's running his place, and there's another cop coming to the left.
Wait, why are they sending like backup?
No, they always do that. Oh, let's just get this guy.
So what is he supposed to do? Like pull over? They didn't siren him or anything. The funny thing is they don't know we're related, so we're just bystanders at this point. Put your phone away. Turn around. He turned. Oh, they're just watching him. Or do you think they gave him a ticket? Do you think they gave him a ticket?
What the heck? There's two cops behind you.
The reason why I changed them right away is because these are 14 years old tires just sitting on this car. So I just took them off and ordered some knockoff wheels here. These are the Avid ones, I believe. AV6s, I believe, with some Federal racing tires, performance tires. And damn, for about $600 or $700, I think this is a really nice setup. And it hooks pretty good, you know. The wheels are, of course, decent quality. I don't really care for those brand name ones where they're like thousands of dollars at this point because, bro, it's all about the budget here. That's the whole point. The whole point is getting the most power for the least amount of cash. So we're looking at like about $8,000 in total so far, I think, or no, 7,000, something like that. Because of course I bought this eBay lip for $70, brand new headlights. The other ones were faded. This is the number one thing to make a car look fresh. New, clean headlights. I hate sun damage on these. So yeah, we definitely got that going. What else did I do here? Oh yeah, 4-port boost controller. You can see hiding there. It's a big mess in the engine bay, as you guys can see, because I just didn't care about anything. I just wanted to keep it running and testing. As long as it's running good, then I can start cleaning up the whole engine bay. The interior, let's check the interior now. right, so of course the car's, you know, looking kind of cute here. We've done some basic changes to the interior, the OEM look of it. I put the vinyl, red vinyl, then also this is all just vinyls, nothing too, you know, crazy, but it looks great, you know, little touch-ups here and there. We've got Apple CarPlay on this thing, which is just absolutely like a total game changer for a car that's from 2002. This cost me $300. The vinyl wrap cost $20 to wrap, you know, this, and a bunch of other stuff we'll be doing soon. You know, it comes with the gauges here. I'm in love with these, of course. Yeah, the craziest thing about this car, guys, is that it just looks absolutely stunning when you guys do basic mods to this thing. Got a lip kit lowered on, I believe, I don't know what kind of coilovers came with it. People who are into these cars, they probably know exactly what these are. But yeah, they're adjustable and all that. Nice coilovers there. Again, for 4K, what a deal. What else? Yeah, future plans, converting to all-wheel drive, making over 1,000 horsepower. It'll be something crazy, you know. But that's if this vlogging on cars goes somewhere, you know. That's the ultimate mission. If you guys are enjoying this, let me know in the chat so you can continue making these. But yeah, I also got the side skirts installed there. Only test fitting these right now because I have to get them painted and everything. Yeah, we're gonna try to make sure this is the best of its best look possible, right? Like, I don't want this to be some nasty quality car. Like, I got this brand new bumper here sitting, needs to be painted, then I can swap it out along with the rear lip, Mugen rear lip, of course, the eBay fake crap. And I'm okay with that, honestly. Like I said, try to make it as cheap as possible. Future plans, we've got a bunch of can yards, and then you see the rear fender flares. These will be going over there. And then we're gonna have some really aggressive wheels on the back when we convert it to all-wheel drive. The front here as well, I'm gonna be getting some wide fenders. They'll be about maybe this much wider. The JS Racing front fenders, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, guys, the point is, this is a project car that I picked up for $4,000, and the goal is to turn this into something crazy, you know, not some baby boy crap. I want this to be one of the craziest cars ever made, ever worked on, I guess. Not some typical car that's on the street. It's already looking amazing, as you guys can see. The transmission will be swapped and whatnot, you know, and then we'll see how this goes. It's gonna be a big mission because I have to get all the parts from the Honda CRV, then the what do you call it, the drive shafts, the differential, the brackets that'll hold that differential. It's gonna be tough, but man, I can't wait. I want to go straight cut gears as well. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, guys, thank you all so much for joining in. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure you guys let me know in the chat, in the comments. I'll definitely be updating you guys with more stuff we do to this thing. So hey, drop a like, hit that subscribe, and let's get started with an amazing car project and hopefully go somewhere crazy.